This is the lowest setting. That's off. And this is number 3. You can still hear the cars outside.